Have you ever paused and wondered about the journey of the luscious, refreshing red pomegranate juice we enjoy daily to our tables? A colossal production scale, where hundreds of tons of pomegranates are harvested and processed, isn't just a story of fruit, but an epic tale of human endeavor and technological progress. Behind every drop of that juice lies a magnificent journey. From vast pomegranate fields, where human labor intertwines with remarkable technological advancements, creating a modern agricultural value chain. Today, we will embark on a deep exploration of an industrialized pomegranate production process, where modern agricultural technology and sophisticated farming techniques combine with meticulous craftsmanship to create sustainable value. From simple beginnings like digging holes and planting saplings, to complex stages like pruning, protecting trees from pests, and finally the bustling harvest season, each stage is operated with a single goal: to bring the most perfect pomegranates to consumers. This is not just a story about a fruit, but a vivid testament to the capacity and stature of global agriculture. To harvest hundreds of tons of pomegranates each year, this miraculous journey begins with seemingly simple, yet foundational tasks: digging holes and planting the first young saplings. The seeds, meticulously selected with stringent purification, will be carefully placed into thoughtfully prepared soil beds. The soil must be treated to be loose, well-draining, and rich in nutrients to help the trees quickly establish roots. This is the crucial first step for an entire long growth cycle. After just 1 month, the pomegranate tree looks like a small bush. Farmers will prune branches to shape the canopy, helping the tree develop symmetrically and absorb light more effectively. During this period, modern cultivation techniques are actively implemented, from smart drip irrigation systems that optimize water usage, to applications of green agricultural technology to significantly reduce the use of harmful chemical pesticides. Instead, many farms have transitioned to advanced biological methods and organic fertilizers, not only safely nurturing crops, but also contributing to environmental protection, while sustainably increasing productivity. What's special about pomegranate trees is that it takes 3 to 4 years of continuous care before the tree begins to bear its first fruits. This is a testament to the patience and long-term investment of farmers in combining traditional techniques with modern technology to achieve sustainable production. In modern agriculture, pomegranate tree care goes beyond routine work. It becomes a sophisticated art of balancing natural laws and technological power. Farmers understand that a properly pruned pomegranate branch can make a big difference in yield. Each careful cut is how they control the tree's energy flow, helping light and nutrients distribute harmoniously to every young shoot. Protecting trees from pests and diseases is also a challenge. Today's farms combine green agriculture technology with traditional knowledge, using natural enemies and biological products to control pests while minimizing chemical pesticides. Modern irrigation systems and agricultural sensors are integrated, ensuring every drop of water reaches the right place at the right time. From the perspective of modern agricultural technology, this care process is a testament to progress. It transforms each pomegranate farm into an outdoor laboratory where science and nature work together to create bountiful harvests. When the pomegranate fields transform into a vibrant red, it signals the most crucial stage of the entire production cycle for farmers. The harvest season is not merely about picking fruit, but a symphony of skill, experience, and caution. Although the pomegranate skin is thin, it contains hundreds of precious red arils inside, so all operations must be performed by hand. A squeeze that's too strong, or a touch that's too hasty, can damage the value of the entire pomegranate. The scene in the harvest fields presents a vivid picture. Groups of workers move rhythmically, gently lifting and placing each pomegranate into baskets as if they were storing treasures. Here, there is no room for haste, only meticulousness and patience. This is what differentiates industrial mechanized production from specialized agricultural products like pomegranates. From the perspective of modern agricultural technology, the pomegranate harvest is a wonderful harmony between manual labor and advanced management techniques. Data on ripening time, sugar content, and fruit quality are analyzed, helping farmers determine the golden window for picking, thereby ensuring hundreds of tons of pomegranates meet the highest quality standards before entering the processing stage. Immediately after leaving the orchard, the pomegranates are swiftly transported to the factory through a closed and tightly controlled process. This is a crucial stage to preserve quality, as even a small bump on the road can damage the thin skin. Specialized trucks are designed to maintain stable temperatures and minimize vibrations, ensuring pomegranates arrive at the factory in pristine condition. At the factory, agricultural machinery systems begin to play their full role. Modern conveyor systems automatically guide each pomegranate through automatic sorting, precise selection, and thorough washing. Notably, these machines are designed with superior sophistication, capable of detecting even the smallest cracks on the skin, thereby promptly removing those that do not meet quality standards. In parallel with technology, human hands are still present, performing manual inspections to ensure that only the most perfect pomegranates proceed to the next processing stage. From the perspective of modern agriculture technology, the transportation and pre-processing stage is the first line of defense protecting the nutritional value and natural flavor of pomegranates. This is a crucial transition, transforming raw agricultural products from the field into ingredients ready for industrial processing. Upon entering the factory, the pomegranate begins a spectacular transformation journey from initial raw agricultural product to a high-value added premium product. Modern processing technology lines operate with almost absolute precision, guiding each pomegranate through the stages of separation, crushing, filtering, and pressing. The hum of machinery blends with the vibrant red hues, creating an overwhelming scene where technology and nature meet. Pomegranate seeds are crushed by a hydraulic pressing system, releasing every drop of essence packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This juice is not merely a beverage, but a symbol of health and nutritional value. Immediately thereafter, the liquid is passed through multi-stage filters to remove sediment, ensuring absolute purity. Quality control is carried out with a combination of machinery and human oversight. Each batch of juice must meet international standards before proceeding to the automatic filling system. Glass bottles or carton boxes are sealed in a sterile environment, preserving color, flavor, and nutrients. This is a testament to the power of modern agricultural technology, where every drop of pomegranate juice becomes a perfect result of scientific and technological investment. In the global trade landscape, pomegranates are not just a fruit, but an industry that brings significant economic value. India, Iran, Turkey, and the United States are leading producers, supplying millions of tons of pomegranates and processed products to the market each year. In the US alone, states like California have leveraged agriculture engineering to optimize cultivation processes, transforming pomegranates into an agricultural product that serves both domestic consumption and export. The pomegranate juice market is growing strongly due to global demand for antioxidant-rich and heart-healthy foods. This opens opportunities for farmers and businesses, from family farms to large-scale agricultural processing corporations. Modern agricultural technology acts as a bridge, helping to increase productivity, reduce costs, and expand competitiveness. Pomegranates, therefore, not only feed millions, but also help shape sustainable agricultural trends and future export value. A glass of pomegranate juice is not just a beverage, but a bridge between the farm and everyday life. When you take a sip, that refreshing sweet and sour taste carries with it the essence of the countryside, the skill, and the technology behind the hundreds of tons of pomegranates harvested each year. For Americans, the image of a glass of pomegranate juice on the breakfast table also evokes a healthy lifestyle choice, a habit associated with nutritional value and preventing heart disease. It's a moment where modern agriculture blends into every moment of human life. This journey from field to table has revealed the miraculous power of modern agriculture. Each pomegranate, nurtured from the orchard, has passed through advanced agricultural technology systems, protected by green agricultural technology, before merging into the processing line with the support of agricultural engineering and agricultural machinery. All these elements have combined harmoniously to create products that are not only delicious and safe, but also bring global economic value. If you believe that agriculture is the foundation that sustains humanity and technology is opening up a greener future, support this journey. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so more people can understand the power of modern agriculture.